Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're unpacking the ultimate integrated preparation engine for your certified internal auditor journey. If you're currently preparing for the CIA exam, you already know the process can feel completely overwhelming at times. So we're going to explore a really comprehensive solution, the CIA Plus Review Complete Set 2027 by Zain Academy. We'll break down exactly what this system is, how it covers all 3 exam parts, and how it transforms a chaotic study schedule into a highly structured path to success. So let's dive right in with a crucial question. Why is it that highly intelligent, hardworking candidates can spend weeks or literally months reading their study materials, only to face crushing uncertainty on exam day? The problem is almost never a lack of ambition. The reality is, passing the CIA exam requires a lot more than just reading the same material over and over again. It requires a true system. Here's our roadmap for today. First, we'll look at the CIA Preparation Challenge. Then, one complete CIA review system. From there, we'll cover how to learn, practice, retain, and revise, followed by assessing your exam readiness, and finally, support throughout your journey. All right, part 1, the CIA Preparation Challenge, and specifically, the pitfalls of disconnected materials. You know, the real cost of preparing without a comprehensive system goes way beyond the money you spend on textbooks. It costs you valuable months of study time, professional energy, and let's be honest, your overall confidence. Think about it. There's a stark contrast between merely reading the syllabus and actually actively building your exam judgment. Passive reading creates this really dangerous illusion. Reading the same chapter repeatedly makes a topic feel familiar, sure, but familiarity is absolutely not the same as reliable recall. It leaves hidden weaknesses that a carefully constructed exam question is going to expose immediately. Active preparation, on the other hand, builds your ability to understand exactly why a correct answer is the best choice and how to efficiently eliminate distractors when you're under pressure. So, who is actually facing these challenges? Well, whether you're a busy accounting professional trying to squeeze in study time after a long workday, a repeat candidate trying to finally get past those old hurdles, or you're stepping into internal audit for the absolute first time. If you're an accountant, a finance professional, a CA, a CPA, or a CISA, and your study just lacks a consistent plan, you are exactly who this structured system was built for. It's completely designed to replace that frustrating trial and error with a crystal clear learning path. Moving on to part 2. One complete CIA review system, which is the solution for parts 1, 2, and 3. Look, when you hit a wall in your prep, you absolutely don't need more random books or scattered questions. You need an integrated solution, like the CIA Plus Review Complete Set 2027. This system essentially brings your entire journey together under one roof. It gives you a unified, integrated path for all 3 exam parts. We're talking complete coverage for CIA Part 1, Internal Audit Fundamentals, Part 2, Internal Audit Engagement, and Part 3, Internal Audit Function. By utilizing one comprehensive learning system, you completely avoid the headache of managing multiple disconnected providers, different formats, and conflicting preparation styles for each individual exam part. And this integrated approach? It builds a highly practical preparation cycle that replaces daily guesswork with a step-by-step logical flow. You learn the concepts, question your understanding, practice applying the knowledge, recall it without looking, see the bigger picture, test your readiness, and finally revise strategically. Which brings us to part 3. Learn, practice, retain, revise, and exactly how these resources work together. Let's break down the specific premium tools included in this complete set and, more importantly, how they directly benefit your daily study routine so you can execute that exact preparation cycle we just talked about. You kick things off by learning the concepts deeply. The CIA study guides give you this incredibly structured foundation using 622 key learning outcomes. That means you'll understand exactly what you are expected to know. But let's face it, sometimes written explanations just aren't enough. That's exactly where the premium video masterclasses come in. They provide guided visual and verbal instruction that breaks down the most complex, difficult topics into manageable, easy-to-digest explanations, completely reducing your guesswork. 9,500. Now, that staggering number represents the multiple-choice questions in the exam question banks across all 3 parts. But hey, it's not just about sheer volume. It's really about explanation-based learning. Every single question comes with detailed explanations to rigorously hone your answer elimination skills. You learn not just why an answer is correct, but why the other options are less appropriate. And that is exactly how you build crucial professional exam judgment. Next up, you'll lock in that knowledge. Because passive reading is easy, right? But actively retrieving information from memory, that's demanding. The Active Recall Flashcards Vault lets you practice retrieving knowledge instantly, which is absolutely perfect for busy professionals trying to make the most out of shorter study sessions. Alongside that, the Visual Mastery slide decks simplify complex syllabus areas, letting you mentally map out relationships and structures so you can actually see the bigger picture, rather than just isolated facts. All right, part 4, assess your exam readiness, transforming preparation into measurable results. As exam day gets closer, your focus has to shift from learning new concepts to accurately and brutally assessing your actual readiness. You have to transform that vague feeling of being prepared into hard, measurable results. To do this effectively, the Mastery Mock Exam Suites provide a critical reality check. They let you practice under realistic, exam-like pressure, helping you identify leak areas, improve your time management, and build serious stamina before the real thing. And supporting this entire process are the CIA Strategic Study Planners. These planners protect your consistency, helping you build a structured routine so you can balance learning, practice, and revision without losing any momentum around your work and family responsibilities. And in those crucial final weeks before the exam, when panic usually sets in, the final revision notes let you organize your final prep and focus entirely on high-value areas efficiently. Paired with thousands of true-false, fill-in-the-blank, and one-word answer questions found right in the study guides, you can actively expose any lingering misunderstandings and refresh key knowledge without that last-minute chaos. Finally, part 5, support throughout your journey, getting guidance exactly when you need it. Independent preparation can feel incredibly isolating sometimes, especially when your progress slows down, but it certainly doesn't have to be that way when you have dedicated support systems firmly in place. That's why Candidate Success Support is designed so you can ask preparation-related questions and clarify anything confusing right away. It ensures a minor setback doesn't become a massive delay. Furthermore, the CIA Inner Circle connects you with a focused learning group of committed peers. It provides motivation, important updates, and a really vital sense of community. It proves that self-study definitely doesn't mean studying alone. And a huge element of true flexibility here is access until you pass. This feature completely removes the anxiety of expiring materials. It provides immense peace of mind, keeping your premium tools available to support your continued learning until your journey is officially complete. Now, it's important to note this is an access benefit. It doesn't imply a guaranteed pass since your success ultimately depends on your own performance, but it ensures your resources won't just abandon you halfway through. Because ultimately, there's a fundamental truth to this whole process. Zain Academy provides the preparation system, but you must bring the effort, discipline, and commitment. There's no magic shortcut that removes the need for serious study, but a proper system ensures your hard work is actually pointed in the right direction. So, are you ready to stop struggling with a fading memory and exam day uncertainty? Ask yourself, what's the true cost to your career if you delay your success for another year? It's time to finally take control of your preparation with a comprehensive, unified system. Visit Zain Academy today to begin your structured journey.